In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable WhatsApp notifications in Hostinger. If you want to receive important updates through WhatsApp, Hostinger makes it easy to turn that on from your account settings. This can be helpful if you want a quick and convenient way to stay informed about activity related to your account, without having to rely only on email or checking the dashboard manually. To begin, log into your Hostinger account and look toward the top right corner of the screen. There you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the account menu. This area gives you access to several personal account options, including the settings that control how Hostinger contacts you. Once the menu appears, click on Notification Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage the different types of alerts and the ways you'd like to receive them. If you're not sure what each notification option means, take a moment to look through the page carefully before making changes so you can choose the setup that works best for you. On the Notification Settings page, you'll see different columns for notification channels. One of those columns is for WhatsApp. In that WhatsApp column, simply tick the checkboxes for the notifications you want to receive through WhatsApp. As you select them, you're telling Hostinger which updates should be sent to you using that channel. Make sure you review your selections before leaving the page, especially if there are multiple notification types listed. This helps ensure that you only enable the alerts that are actually useful to you, and it can prevent receiving too many messages later on. If the settings save automatically, your changes should take effect right away. If you see a Save or Confirm button on your screen, be sure to click it so your preferences are updated properly. And that's it. Once the WhatsApp checkboxes are enabled, Hostinger will use WhatsApp as a notification method for the items you selected. It's a simple setting, but it can make staying on top of account updates much more convenient. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to check your notification settings again anytime if you want to adjust which alerts you receive through WhatsApp.